Namaskar, welcome to this session on electric current. Before we discuss electric current, we must know meaning of the term current. The word current in general means a continuous movement of something in a definite direction. For example, if water molecules move from one place to another, we call it water current. Similarly, if electrons move inside a copper wire from one point to another, we call it a electric current. As is clear from this diagram as well, if suppose this AB is a copper wire and electrons are moving from A end towards B end, then we will say that electric current is flowing in this copper wire. In general, if electric charge Q moves inside a conductor from one point to another, then we say that electric current is flowing in the conductor. Symbol capital Q is normally used to denote charge. Now let's understand what is an electric circuit with the help of this schematic diagram. This diagram consists of a cell, an electric bulb, an ammeter and a plug key, which is also known as switch. All these components are connected to one another with the help of connecting wires. So we can say that a continuous and closed path of an electric current is called an electric circuit. A closed plug key or a switch in on state is denoted by this symbol, a line, then a parenthesis and a dot in between, and again a line. Whereas an open plug key or a switch in off state is denoted by this symbol, a line, parenthesis, but there is no dot inside this parenthesis, and again a line. If the electric circuit is broken anywhere, as is shown in figure 3, or the plug key is open as is shown in figure 2, then the current stops flowing in the circuit. Now the question is, how does an electric charge moves in an electric circuit? In an electric circuit, the charge does not move from one point to another on its own. It moves only when a cell or a battery is attached to an electric circuit. That is, the electric current flows in the electric circuit only when a cell or battery is attached to it. As you can see in figure 1, when this copper wire is not connected to any cell or a battery, the electrons present within this wire are moving randomly in any direction. But as soon as we connect both ends of this copper wire with a cell, you can see from figure 2 that the electrons start moving in a particular direction. That is, the charge starts moving in a particular direction, and when this happens, we say that the electric current is flowing in the circuit. Thank you.